my dear students. Today I will tell about some important MCQs related to the 10th life processes chapter from biology. First question: a blood vessel which pumps the blood from the heart to the entire body. Arteries. Name the circulatory fluid in the human body other than blood. Lymph. Single circulation. Blood flows through heart only once during one cycle of passage through the body. Exhibits by which of the following? Hippocampus, exocytus and anabas. Hemoglobin level in the blood samples of two persons A and B are found to be 9 grams per deciliter and 13 grams of deciliters respectively. Which statement is true with respect to the amount of oxygen supply in their body? The more in person B than in person A. Blood is consisting of what fluid medium? Plasma. One cell thick vessel are called capillaries. The only arteries which carries the deoxygenated blood is pulmonary arteries. How many number of does frog heart have? How many chambers does frog heart have? That is 3. Oxygenated blood reaches heart by pulmonary veins. Which of the following substances is transported by blood plasma? This is all of this means food, potassium and alcohol. How many chambers are present in human heart? 4. In humans, right arteries receives deoxygenated blood from vena cava. Veins have valves to prevent backflow blood. The color of blood plasma is pale yellow. Where does maximum exchange of materials between blood and surrounding cells occur? Capillaries. Only reptiles have 4-chambered heart is crocodile. Superior and inferior vena cava respectively carries blood from upper and lower part of body. The chamber of heart receives deoxygenated blood from tissue body is right atrium. The xylem in a plant is responsible for transport of water. Significant role of stomata in a transportation is to create upward pressure. It helps to translocation of a food in a blood is phloem. Which plant tissue transports water and minerals from root of leaf? Xylem. Movement of food in a phloem is called translocation. Name the tube which can connect the kidney to the urinary bladder. Ureter. Which part of nephron allows to the selective reabsorption of useful substances like glucose, amino acids, salts and water into blood capillaries? Tubules. Where is the dirty blood in our body filtered? Kidney. The procedure used to cleaning the blood of a person by separating urea from is called dialysis. Urea formation takes place in liver. Identify the correct patch of urine is in human body, that is kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. The kidneys in human being is a part of the systems for excretion. The blood pressure is measured by the instrument called SS silent pygnomanometer. Blood clotting is done by platelets. Normal blood pressure in human being is 120 by 80 mmHg. Name the largest artery of body. Aorta. Roots of plant absorbs water from the soil through process of diffusion. What is advantages of different chambers present in human heart? Prevent blood clotting. Not to prevent the coagulating blood mixed with deoxygenated blood. Vena cava carries deoxygenated blood from body parts to heart. The opening and closed stomatal pore depends on temperature. The blood leaving the tissues rich in carbon dioxide. What prevents backflow of blood during contraction of heart valves of heart. Thank you for watching video. Keep encouraging us and subscribe our channel for more MCQs and for all chapter MCQ I will cover now. Please subscribe my channel and encouraging us. Thank you for watching video, dear students. Thank you.